Hello everyone and welcome to this series of Onshape tutorials. In this series, I will be showing you ways to use Onshape and giving you rundowns on different tools in Onshape to help you with your 3D modeling journey. This series will be primarily focused on using Onshape in means of a FRC team, so there will be many tools on here that will not be showcased as they will not be used for a FRC team. If you're wanting to learn how to use those tools, I would recommend just messing around and figuring out how to do it yourself. Other than that, I will be giving you many different tutorials throughout this series on how to use many different tools in Onshape. Hope you enjoy. Hello, and welcome to part 1 of this series. For part 1, we will be talking about sketch basics. So, to get started, we're going to make a very basic sketch. So to start your sketch, you want to hit this little sketch button up here on the top left, and now it's going to ask you to click a plane. What you would do is you would select a plane. I prefer to use the front plane. And then you will use this little cube over here to orient yourself. And now you're seeing it straight on. Now comes the fun part. You make a sketch. And the way you make a sketch is by using all of these options up here to make whatever you want. So we're going to just make a simple cube. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to use this corner rectangle here. We're going to click it. We're going to make us a good old square by just dragging it. And I'm going to make my square 5 inches. So you see how this is already selected? That means if I just type something, it'll change it for me. So we're going to make a 5 inch by 5 inch square. And now that it's made those little lines for me, I can move these around to kind of move them and put them in places that are better for me, and they are my dimension lines. We will use them a lot throughout this series. Now that I have my sketch done, I'm just going to do this little check to confirm that that is what I wanted and that is how I wanted to make my sketch. And now to make it a true cube and make it 3D, we're going to use this button right here, the extrude button. And all you have to do is click it and then click the sketch you want to use and it starts to extrude it. But we want to make a 5 inch cube. So we're going to change our depth here to be 5, hit enter, and then hit check to tell it that's what we want. And now we have a simple 5 inch cube. And this is step 1, the very basics of making sketches. Hope you enjoyed.